Today we're going to be installing floor mats in this C6 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today we're going to be installing these beautiful floor mats in this C6 Corvette. Now these floor mats are made by CustomeInterior.com and I'm going to put all of that information up here on the screen. This is again going to be a very short video, but I wanted to be able to show you these. This happens to be the passenger side. It's just beautiful. You can see that it's black with the red stitching and a honeycomb. And let me show you the driver's side. It's a little bit bigger and it also has your heel protector here, so you know, you're not wearing the whole mat out, and literally all you're doing is you're just going to put them in, set them in place, and you're good. I've had a set of these in my C7 when I had it, as well as my C8, and they hold up great. As a matter of fact, my wife had a set of these in her C7 also, and they're beautiful. They look good. They're easy to maintain. You know, just wipe them off. You know, if you get footprints on it, and they're just extremely tough, and they look wonderful. So literally, all I'm going to do here, I'm just going to keep the camera running here, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put them in. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab the passenger side one right here, and I'm just going to set it in. Now you can pull out your original factory floor mats if you have them, or you can put these right over the top. So I have a lot of people that do that, so that's what I'm going to do here in the video, okay? So all I'm doing here is I'm just taking that, I'm going to put it right up in there like so. And they kind of have a sticky back to them. They're like, it's a felt. So it will stick in there really good. It's not going to move so much. And you'll also notice that there's a cutout right up here. So if I get this all the way where it belongs, you're going to be able to see that your emergency door removal right here, you can still get to it. You can still pull it up. Okay, so all I'm doing here is just putting this in. I'm going to tuck this underneath. I'm going to tuck it right underneath the trim right here, and then that way it gives you that custom fit. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that in there like that, and then we're going to put this right up over here like this. There's a little heating duct. I'm going to tuck that in there like so, and then you're just going to tuck it right underneath the trim here, just like that. See that fits in there just like a glove. Okay, just like that. So you can see how that looks. Now we'll give you a close-up here in just a second. But what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump over to the other side, and you'll be able to see me putting it in over there.
Summer savings explode at Maida's Elk Grove Chevy. Save $12,000 off MSRP on every new 2025 Silverado LT and RST half-ton in stock.
Maida Chevy has
Similar savings on every new Silverado.
one of the largest selections of new Silverado in the Sacramento area.
$12,000 off every new Silverado LT and RST exclusively at the Maida Chevy Silverado Supercenter. Now that's big, huge. See them all at MaidaChevy.com. Together, let's drive.
We're just going to go ahead and we're going to slide this one inside the car too. Again, like I said, you can take your carpet out or you can leave it in. Doesn't really matter. And just tuck it in. Hopefully my back isn't making it where you can't see, but just get that in there. You'll see the cutout here for the emergency door latch. Get that lined up. There's cutouts here for the seat pieces, as well as the gas pedal. Okay. There we then again, what we're doing here is we're just tucking this in right here. You'll be able to see that. Just like that. So guys, you saw how just easy it was to install those floor mats. And when it comes time that you want to get a set for your car, be sure and go to customeinterior.com and they'll be able to help you out. These floor mats, as well as their seat covers, fit like a glove. They have been engineered really, really well, not just to fit, but to hold up and to really handle your feet on them. You getting in and out of the car all the time. They just hold up really, really well. I've had these in my C7 as well as my C8, and now we have got them in the C6. You saw just how beautiful they are and how easy they are to install. So like I said, if you're looking for seat covers or floor mats, be sure and reach out to customeinterior.com and they'll be able to get you taken care of. Guys, I want to thank you guys all for watching today. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted of all of our new uploads. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, we'll catch you guys later.